Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to lift subjects from an image using the vision framework in native iOS application. So here you can see in this demo from the first image view I was able to lift subjects into the second image view. Now I have already made a video about this, but that video was using vision kit. This is using just vision. There is a difference. So vision kit is basically for quickly doing stuff pretty like in a easy way, but using vision you can do more complex stuff. But I have kept this tutorial simple as well, so in case instead of vision kit I would highly recommend to use vision kit. But for some of you who want to do some post processing using vision, or a functionality is not not available in vision kit, then you might prefer using vision. So this is one of the output. So here you can see inside assets I have few other images as well. So I'll just use some other image just to show you the output from the very start to you. So here you can see it is building my application. And here you can see I was able to lift this particular subject from inside our second image view. Also there is one more image of dog, which I will show you as well. So as you can see, here is the output. It is pretty quick. Yeah, let's see. So here I have created a native iOS application using UI kit. You can use Swift UI. I have added 3 images inside the assets folder, and here I am importing vision. And I have also ignored this, we really don't need this. And here I have just created our UI view controller. Inside that I have taken 2 images, image view as well as subject image view. Then we are using this vn generate foreground instance mask request. Then we are just setting up our image view. So here you can see we are just setting the ns layout stuff over here inside our setup image view, which is pretty simple. Then we just load our image inside our first image view. Then we call this method lift subject from image, pass our first image to that, and once we get the subject lifted from the first image, we just display it inside our second image view. So if I show you this particular method, we first convert our UI image to a CG image, then we just create vn image request handler. Then we perform this request. Try to do this operation on a background thread. I am doing it on the main thread, but if a image is extremely complex you might see frame drops, so be careful. Then we just call request.results.first. so I am only interested in the first result, but if there are multiple results you can handle it according to your way. Then we just do result.generate masked image, pass our all instances from handler, crop to instance extend false. Then we create a CI image out of it. Then we just do context.create CG image. We get a CG image, we convert it to a UI image and return it back. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can lift subjects from an image in native iOS application using the vision framework. Thank you for watching. Bye.